So I've been testing out the DJI Osmo Pocket 4P to its fullest potential, and I'm thoroughly impressed. But the biggest question is this enough to replace my Sony? I've actually picked it up in Malta from a DJI event and met amazing European creators, but at that time I didn't know what the 4P was capable of. I literally just got it when we went out to film. So I filmed a lot, tested everything it's got, but time wasn't enough. So I came back to Toronto, sat down to edit everything, and these are some of my favorite shots I filmed with it. Now all I can share for now is footage, but this should be enough for you to see how amazing it truly is. I will be comparing it with the Sony a7C II and the iPhone 17 Pro. So, if you have any questions or requests with my comparison, let me know and I'll try my best to include it. My full review will be up once the Osmo Pocket 4P launches globally, but for now, enjoy the footage.